to clean drinking water is a critical issue affecting millions worldwide. Our project aims to create a cost-effective and highly efficient water filter using advanced nanomaterials, specially designed for areas with limited access to clean water. This DIY filter enhances filtration efficiency while remaining affordable, providing practical solutions to improve water quality and promote public health. In this presentation, we will explore the design and benefits of our nano-enhanced water filter and its potential to make a meaningful impact in community facing water scarcity. Step 1. Prepare the container. The container will hold all the filter materials and the water to be filtered. If using a plastic bottle, cut the bottom off to create an open top. If using a bucket, ensure it was weighed to collect filtered water at the bottom.
Step 2. Add the nanotube stainless screen. This screen acts as a barrier to prevent larger particles from passing through while allowing the water to flow. Place the nanotube stainless screen at the bottom of the container. This will be the first layer of the filter.
And step 3, add a cotton layer. This function cotton helps to trap smaller particles and debris, providing an additional layer of filtration. Place a layer of cotton on the top of stainless screen. Make sure it covers the entire screen.
Step 4, add the charcoal layer. Activated charcoal removes impurities, the chemicals, and odors from the water through absorption. Add a layer of activated charcoal on the top of the cotton. A thickness of about 1 to 2 inches is recommended.
Add the sun layer. Sun helps to filter out smaller particles and provides additional surface area for filtration. Add a layer of sun on the top of the charcoal. This layer should also be about 1 to 2 inches thick.
Step 6. Add the stone layer. Stones or gravel help to prevent the sand from clogging and provide structural support for the filter. Add a layer of small stones or gravel on top of the sand. This layer can be about 1 to 2 inches thick.
Collect the filtered water. The filtered water will flow out of the bottom of the container. Place a clean container under the filter to collect the filtered water.
Before using the filter for drinking water, test it with clean water to ensure it works properly. Regularly clean or replace the filter materials to maintain effectiveness. This DIY filter is suitable for filtering out large particles and some impurities, but it may not remove all the pathogens or chemicals. For safe drinking water, consider additional purifications, methods like boiling or chemical treatment.
DIY or do-it-yourself water filters are vital for ensuring access to clean drinking water, particularly in underserved communities. Their significance lies in several key areas such as public health. DIY water filters help prevent waterborne diseases such as cholera and dysentery. By providing a simple method for filtering contaminated water, this leads to improved health outcomes and reduced healthcare costs. Environmental impact. By reducing reliance on bottled water, DIY filters minimize plastic waste and promote sustainable practices. In summary, DIY water filters play a crucial role in promoting health, sustainability, economic savings, education, and community empowerment, contributing to a healthier and more resilient society.